स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome you all. So today's video is all about the online preparation for Maharashtra MBACET 2021. So those guys who already started or wanna some boosters or wanna some guidance or mentorship, or those who have not started the preparation yet, they can start for the preparation as the batches are launched for Maharashtra MBACET 2021 known as Amalgam Batch. So for enrollment you can call on 8828581455. So friends, with respect to the any entrance exam, what is the main thing you must need? That is nothing but the resources. You must have the proper resources for the preparations, right? The second thing, it should be compatible with the syllabus. So it should be 100% compatible, and whatever the resources or stuffs or boosters you have, it should matches the difficulty level of the exam. The most important parameter, because friends, there are many of the entrance exam. All are considering the questions from easy to moderate to difficult levels. So you must be familiar with all the types of questions. So friends, whenever you are in search of resources, then make sure it should be compatible with all these points. Because friend, आपको MBA सिर्फ एक बार करना है. So choose it wisely. And if you wanna all these things at one platform, then visit at manoeuvreedu.com, then click on buy online section, then next to the MBA entrance. So these all are the program details, the full course, book study materials, mock tests, and the sectional wise courses are there. So just click on show packages. So these all are the respective programs. So the MBACET, you can enroll for the MBACET Turbo 2021, where you will get access for the video lectures, 10 sectional tests and 18 full length mock tests, and also the handouts for the practice purpose. So just click on view details. So it includes 222 video lectures, 37 handouts and 18 mock tests, and which is 100% compatible with respect to all the syllabus. So you can check the syllabus here, and if you are believing in self preparation, then you can get the study materials from here. Just click on show packages. So here it is, MBACET book study materials. Just click on view details, and this is a set of 4 books: the quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English and data interpretation. So add to cart. Once ordered, it will be delivered within 7 working days at your home. You can also get the ebooks from here, and ebooks section wise. So most important one is nothing but the mock test, because if you give the mock test, then you will be familiar with the difficulty level of the exams. You will know what exactly the time pressure you have to handle during your exam, and you will get your overall analysis. So for mock test, just click on view details. It comprises of 18 mock tests, and if you are lacking in any particular section, then you can get the section wise courses here. So logical reasoning, English, the quantitative aptitude, DI, DS and DSC, group discussion and personal interview. So overall, each and every content you will get at only one platform, and that is nothing but the manoeuvreedu.com. So friends, this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. And if you want to interact live with us, then call on 8828581455, or you can simply visit at manoeuvreedu.com/MBA entrance. So guys, kickstart your preparation from now onwards. The top colleges are waiting for you. So thank you very much. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.